Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers, and good morning, YouTube. Hopefully, you guys had a solid Wednesday night, Wednesday evening. I'm excited to trade this morning. Hopefully, we can print some monies. At 9:25, I'll give you where everything's sitting at, so that way you kind of know where everything's good. Good morning, Iz. Good morning, sir. Glad to see you in the chat.
Mystery traders may have bagged 40 to 50 million on the announcement to pause Iran attacks.
That's crazy.
But I wanted, you were a mystery trader, so
no.
Wait, you have a new pair of glasses?
No, no, I've been having these. Don't start that, Steve.
You got some new tires on your truck. you bought a carton of eggs at the store. Come on, spill it.
Carton of eggs. Well, you are right about that. Actually, I didn't get eggs. I got egg whites from Sam's last night. You know, in the carton.
Don't be disrespecting. Why they gotta be white, huh?
You know.
Talking smack?
No, I'm not talking smack. They're called egg whites. That's without. No haters here. No haters here. What's up, Rob? Good morning. I want to see how this market's going to act this morning, because this whole week it's just been chopping.
I saw I was on during the news because earlier I got up early with my wife, and then I was kind of watching and just watching the flow, and then I heard a sound in the yard. The window was open, and so I went outside, and there was a damn raccoon in my yard. So it turned out that I had like my headlamp on, so it was deer in the headlights. So I grabbed a shovel and actually ran up on it and nailed it as it was going up the fence.
No violence here, folks. No violence here.
Nope. There's one, it's like wildlife like that is not welcome to steal from my yard.
Yeah, I got some critters that keep coming through the back of my property. Like, I have this big hedge along my back fence.
Oh, yeah.
And they use that as their little highway.
Okay, yeah.
So I got like raccoons, possums, everything every night. Set my cameras off. And it's just them like creeping through.
They start coming in, and then they dig in the garden, and then they're trying to predate on stuff. So.
Yep, no bueno.
I wasn't armed.
Oh, my body. Well, my chest and arms are so freaking sore.
That's why you haven't even put them on the deck.
Your boy's been training with a personal trainer, and my arms are sore. Yesterday, I cruised through leg day yesterday with him. I cruised through it. But I will say my arms, shoulders, chest, all that's tight. And we did legs yesterday. So, the joys. But today's my last day with him. He has to take his mom somewhere for her birthday on Friday. But he did tell me that when I got with him last Friday for our first session. But he's giving me 3 days off. He's like, yeah, you get 3 days off. I'm like, great. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll take it. Doesn't mean I want it. You know what I'm saying? But we'll take it. Good morning, Lucas. We're sitting right here at this pivot point. Who knows what's going to happen today? Who knows what's going to happen today? But the one thing I will say, if there's a bull flag or a bear flag with momentum, best believe your boy is going to be in it. Your boy is going to take it. You know what I'm saying? Because you'll hear Steve on the stream playing his robot. Duane wants to see a flag, which is hilarious, by the way. And that's what I want today. I want to see some flags. I want to see some bear flags, some bull flags.
Have you heard from Dr. Moose?
I have not, but I know he's been working a lot.
He did post on Insta yesterday Very nice. Very nice work.
Very nice work. Very nice work. All right, it's 9:25. Let me give you where all the stuff is at on the chart, so that way you know where we're sitting. Because I feel like that's sometimes important. So first thing, VWAP. VWAP. 231. 231 on my 2-minute chart is VWAP sitting at 231 on my 2-minute chart.
You gotta scroll up for that, mother. Okay,
Yep.
231.45 is what I got.
Okay, we'll take that. Then for the 21 EMA 2-minute chart, 137.5 on mine. 130.75 on mine.
Like either 1 off or 10 off, and this is a 10 off day. So you're 10 above me. So
Okay.
Keep that in mind.
We got a pivot point, 144.75, 144.75, right around where we're sitting currently. We also have a pivot above the VWAP, above that 231 area at 256.25, 256.25. And then the close, let's see where that close was from yesterday. So the close from yesterday is up there at 367.75 for the close from yesterday. So with everything I just spewed out my mouth, giving you where everything's at, right?
Yeah.
Guess what? It honestly doesn't matter where all that stuff is. Because if you have a simple system, you wait for your setup and you take it.
Yeah.
But it's always smart to know where some of the stuff is at, just so you know where the market may want to go, may want to reject, may want to bounce. You never know.
Want to bounce.
So we're going to play it safe today, and we're going to take what the market gives us. We're not going to push anything, and I recommend to you guys not to push, because normally when I push, that's when I lose money. So that's why I'm chilling. I'm laid back today. We're going to see what we can get. If we can make a couple thousand, we'll make a couple thousand. If we can't, we come back tomorrow and do it all over again. It's that simple. So on the 2-minute, we have that buying wick on that previous candle right there. But this was trying to do like a little bear flag, right? But I don't like that buying wick. I do not like this buying wick right here. So for me, I would want to get below that 21 EMA before I'm starting to take shorts or look for shorts. That's me. You do what you want, but the way I do it, I want to be below that 21 EMA when we're right here sitting on top of it to get below it before I take a short. Why do I do that? Very simple. Sometimes the price likes to bounce off the 21 EMA and rocket shit back up. I've been in a trade like that. I've been in a short. I'm like, oh, look, we're going down. Let me take a short. We bounce off that EMA. Instant stopped out. You know what I'm saying? Not trying to do that today. Let's not do that. Trying to play it safe. Trying to play it smart. Well, as smart as we can, at least. As smart as we can.
About just over 1 minute to open.
I had the VWAP on too, but like I said, the market does bounce off that EMA sometimes. So I'm always watching it, sir. Good morning, by the way. Market's getting ready to open less than 40 seconds now. Less than 40 seconds, market's going to be opening. I will not be taking a trade. I will not be taking a trade till 9:45 or after. I wait the first 15 minutes so the market can settle, so that I can see what way the flow's trying to go. And then we jump in. There we go. Market's open. Market's open. We're below that 21 EMA now. Right above it. Ooh, Nellies. Ooh, Nellies. Hold on to your cups of water and coffee, boys.
Hold on to your hat. No, cups of water. Everybody stay hydrated. That's rule number 1.
Rule number 1, stay hydrated. Are we going to break into? I think today's the day we break into that 23,000s. I have the VWAP on my chart, sir. Trust me. We print money over here. I appreciate your advice, but at the end of the day, bro, you're watching my stream. Just saying. 24,000 flat, possible. Good morning, Rhonda. Got my legacy sister in here today. Good morning.
And Tune's going in a different way than everything else right now.
Good morning, Niner. Yeah, we gonna wait to see what we get. We gonna wait to see what we get here. I'll let my arms and fingers relax until 9:45.
That's because it hurts to click.
It doesn't hurt to click, but
you don't know that part yet.
That's true. That's true. We haven't done it yet, so we'll find out. We get money. Yeah. What's up, Warrior? Yes, we do, bro. Good morning.
Here we go.
It's funny. Last night, my trainer hit me like at 7 something. He's like, yo, super proud of you, bro. You crushed today's workout. I'm excited because you're actually taking this serious. I'm like, I appreciate you. He's like, by the way, send me a picture of your dinner when you cook it. I'm like, you weren't hitting me and congratulate me. You were hitting me and see what I'm eating at night. These are prop accounts. These are funded prop accounts. Good morning. I just took a payout yesterday with Lucid live on the stream.
And it was quick too.
Yep. It took from the time of request to hitting my bank account in 30 minutes flat. That's not too shabby.
And within 10 minutes, you had the confirmation, right? Where it was just like, yep, we got it, where you're getting it.
Yep. It was like in 2 minutes with that. Hey, let's go, Mike. Good job, bro. So right now, my top firms is Tradeify, Lucid, Apex, then Take Profit Trader right now.
Well, let me ask you honestly, since with that payout experience, did that raise Lucid in your eyes?
It puts it where I thought they would be. You know what I'm saying? I still like Tradeify's dashboard better. But that's just me. That's just me. So I like Tradeify's dashboard better than Lucid's. Like, just for when you log in, see your accounts, everything like that.
But they gave you your funded account back, so you could theoretically trade if you wanted to on the same day you got a payout, which I thought was pretty nice.
Yeah, I like that too. I like that too. But I would still stick with Tradeify, then Lucid. Then I'd probably slide with Apex, then Take Profit Trader. The reason why I put Take Profit Trader at this point last is because I hate that 20% split with them. When you're taking consistent payouts, that 20% adds up quick. Where Tradeify and Lucid is a 90-10 split, and then Apex, you get the first $25,000 on the account for your pocket. So that moved them up a little bit since they changed their rules.
Then after that, after the 25, then what?
Then it goes to, I believe, a 90-10 split. I forget.
Then you just go to the next account.
Pretty much. Pretty much.
Then you're just gonna full port it like an open. Oh, blew that one. Okay, now I need to bring it.
Apex, do they have weird rules? They did, but they got rid of like their biggest rules that were hindering traders. Because I'm pro traders at the end of the day, because I want to see you guys get paid. So any firm that's not trader friendly, I won't talk about. So you can ask everybody on the stream. I was not talking about Apex last year like that because they were not trader friendly. But now that they switched some rules, they are a little bit more trader friendly.
I just like to see you get like what your first 5 payouts with Apex are, so you could really give a definitive answer this year.
Yeah, well, Tim, one of the guys that comes on the streams and he's in the community, he got a payout from Apex last week or something like that. And it took him 7 days to get the payout. So I still don't like that.
I mean, they're like holding on to that money, man. Like, give it.
What's my biggest payout? Honestly, it may have been like $6,000 or something like that.
Well, you need to explain. This isn't somebody reading about the horsepower in a Dodge Charger. Say, oh, it's up to 700 horsepower. Like looking at, it's like you were consistent. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
It's like Johnny Jackoff could stand next to a rented Mercedes and say that, what's this 18-year-old kid doing? He just got this house. He doesn't know how. But it's like you are actually, as a successful business owner, this is another stream of income. And the system is teachable and relatable.
That it is. I'm all about consistency here, folks. Like, anyone could get lucky once, but if you're consistently taking payouts from multiple firms, that means you kind of know what you're doing. And I'm not going for the biggest payouts out there. I'm going for consistent payouts every single month. That's it. Honestly, bro, watch some of the videos on the stream on my channel. You can join the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free. Get around like-minded traders that are winning in the markets each and every day. We do a traders hangout every single night of the week, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we talk trading, we talk life, and everything in between. I'm sure that will definitely help you because it's helped so many people already. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. I like being smooth and fast. You know what I'm saying? Like, just gotta wait for your moves. Like I'm doing right now. I'm waiting at 9:45 so I can start executing. I'm gonna be called the Punisher today to the market.
You've been doing too much hit all of a sudden. Well, I want you to know something. Like at 1 o'clock on Mondays and Thursdays at 1 o'clock, we're both slaying it because that's like my son comes over like after a little afternoon and we're in our workout. So in that window of time, there's 2 legacy people that are just slaying.
I love that. Looks like a bear flag right here coming up. I did not put my line up, but because I'm not trading it right now.
But you're thinking about it. No,
it's not 9:45 yet. It is not 9:45 yet.
Take a picture about what you're thinking about. It'll be like a trade. Hi, Duane. How are you doing? By the way, now that I said you did good, let me see what you're eating.
That was hilarious. And he's like, bro, yeah, that meal's perfect. I sent him a picture of spinach, onions, and chicken. He's like, bro, that meal's perfect. I'm like, yeah, for a rabbit. Or no order filled, Rob. No order filled, bro. Don't start with me, Rob. Oh, let me not look because we got the follow through. Anyways, but that's okay. I saw the move. It played out exactly how I thought it would. So what? I'm not going to let that make me FOMO. I let that give me extra confidence for the next trade. That's all.
There's a guy I know that I follow, and he says something repeats itself.
Yep, the flags always repeat themselves. So if you're trying to figure out what direction the market's trying to move in, it's either going to move as a chop day, or the market's going to be going up, or it's going to be going down. And say it's going down, you're going to see multiple bear flags getting printed. If it's going up, you'll see multiple bull flags getting printed. And if it's chop day, you ain't going to see nothing. It's just all willy-nilly chopping. You know what I'm saying?
So you're talking about this week in a hole.
That is this week in the hole.
So your copy trading has been doing very well with it. Like, you know, you just like you get like a grand, but then it's like 5 accounts at once. It's boom.
I am getting used to the copy trading. Most likely in April, I'll probably copy trade even more with like Lucid and Tradify possibly, because I do like the fact that I'm able to find my move and execute, and I don't have to rotate through like multiple accounts right away, because I would cover like 4 or 5 accounts on that one trade.
Well, that's what you were saying. Like you had, and then you can like name them and group them. So it's
yep.
Like...
So my plan is in April, most likely a copy trade 5 funded accounts with Tradify, 5 funded accounts with Lucid, and then 10 accounts with Apex. And I'll just rotate out. That'll be 3 trades for the day, 1 trade per firm. All right, we're getting closer and closer to 9:45. I'm ready to see some moves here. Let me start doodling. I need to start being a little bit active here, because if I don't, I'm going to get antsy. And you don't want to accidentally click the button on purpose. You know what I'm saying? That's never a good look, especially when you're streaming. All right, so this push is pushing more than 50% of the candle of the pole. So I'll be slightly hesitant right now for a short. Let's see if the bears could get it back in the structure for the flag here. Because if a candle pushes more than 50% of the pole, it will invalidate the flag play. It is savable. But whenever it goes 50% or more, that's when I get slightly hesitant. Because I ain't trying to get messed up. You know what I'm saying? Just me. I don't like getting messed up in the markets. And that's why I was looking for a short, but it just pushed, right? But because I doodled and I saw we went past 50% of the pole of the flag, I'm like, that ain't right. We ain't touching that. No. Not today, Satan. Good morning, everybody. If you're new here, glad you're tuning in to trade with us for this New York session. You got the Legacy Wealth Society market makers on the stream with me. Those are the voices you hear. That's my private trading community, which you could join completely for free. And we're just waiting. I'm waiting until 9:45 for the 15-minute range to be fully completed so I can start looking for trades to execute. Because $1,000 a day keeps the bills away. Remember that. Right back where this pivot point's at. Pivot's coming up. I don't know how I feel about the current price action. Don't know how I feel right now. It's not like crazy bad, right? But it's not crazy good either. Come on, Betsy. There's that pivot point tapped. Let's see if we reject from here or if we're going to just make a new high. for this 15-minute range. So the low of the 15-minute range for this morning, 24,064. 24,064. The high of the range has not been completed yet because we have less than a minute. We got that VWAP approaching. VWAP's currently sitting at 206.75. 206.75. It looks like we're getting ready to run and tap that. Let's see if we get this 15-minute range close before we tap it. Interesting. I was not looking for a push like that, but that's okay. We wait for our moves and we execute. That's it. All right, the high of the range, the 15-minute range for today, 24,192.75. 24,192.75 for the high of the 15-minute range. Now, since we pushed like that, big old push, thank God I wasn't trying to go short when maybe we build a bear flag. I saw it getting validated, so that's why I wasn't looking for it no more. Put this line all the way up here to play it safe. You know what I'm saying? To play it safe.
You are really just being good today.
I'm trying to. I don't want to lose any money today. I want to add money to my funded accounts, everything like that, not lose it. So let's see what we get. Right back down to this pivot point. I hope today's not a chop day. And you just gotta laugh because this whole week has been straight chop. All right, we did not go more than 50% the previous candle, so the bull flag could still pay. So that's good for us. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. Going to my yellow line. There's my yellow line tap. I want to see follow through. I want to see follow through that line. We did pop out of the 15-minute range there, but we came right back into it. Waiting to see the full momentum here. I want to see the momentum to execute the trade. Because no momentum, no trade. No momentum, no trade for me. Are we getting ready to build some structure? Move my mouse off the button. I move my mouse off the button so I don't accidentally click because I've done that before. Not fun, trust me. We got that VWAP sitting at 205.25 right now. 205.25 for that VWAP. I feel like we may just be trying to build some structure right now for a bull flag. But when we come up to this yellow line, I want to see the momentum carry us. Because we popped out of the 15-minute range high, and then we instantly came right back down. So that's something we got to pay attention to. I like that. Because only 10% of the time when we break out of the 15-minute range, it keeps going without retracing back to the 15-minute range for the morning session. So the fact that it already came back, I like that. That means it's being normal. Because 90% of the time, this is what it does. Look at that selling wick on that 5-minute candle there. Ooh wees. Ooh wees. That's all I'm going to say there. That's a big old selling pressure wick. Note to self, don't take a buy in a selling pressure. Wait, just saying. Hey, I'm a trader. I've done it. It's not fun. Let me learn from my mistakes so you don't have to make them.
Anybody that comes and says, I've never done that is just a liar, or they actually just started.
Yeah, I agree.
You get more than a weekend and it doesn't happen to you, then it's like, then go buy the lottery ticket.
Then buy the lottery ticket.
Because if you're that together on it, okay.
Let me check something while we're waiting for the market either go to my yellow line with momentum or to start to come down and we look for a bear flag. Come on, Betsy. I'm watching. We're creeping up here. Here comes the high of that 15-minute range again. Almost tapped it. We did not tap it there. All right, there we go. We're above that VWAP. Close that trade right there. 450 for the first trade for the day. We will definitely take that. Let's rotate to the next account. 450 on the first trade of the day. Let's get her done, boys. Let's get her done today. And tomorrow, what I'm going to do on that account, that was a selected 50K account with Tradeify. I'm not going to request a payout today on it. I'm going to wait to see if tomorrow is still moving pretty decent. Because I want to add literally less than $600. Like maybe like, what is like $400 on that account. And then I'll request another payout of at least $1,500 to $2,000 on that select 50K account. What indicator am I seeing that keeps showing on the lower lows and the higher highs? If you're looking at the 2-minute chart right here where my cursor's at, this has trend lines on. I honestly need to take them off because I don't use them. I actually need to take them off. I'm only looking at the Renko bars and looking for my flags. That's it. I want to see us build a bull flag above this VWAP to take us higher. And best believe we will gladly take it. Give me a little, I just need a little bit of structure. I want a little bit of structure for the push. Yeah, build me some structure. I want structure right now. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. We got a minute 30 on this candle. Oh, I don't think it's going to be able to hold long enough. Brett, yeah, I got workout at 1, then run around town for one of my businesses. And this thing's still pushing. Man, did not give me the structure I wanted. My first target would be the pivot point above is 256. 256 is my first target. Right above that's my actual target at 257.25. But we gotta get to that 256 pivot before we could get to my first target from the 15-minute range, technically. So right back down to the VWAP. There we go. Let's see, we use this VWAP as support here. Building structure. We're building structure right now. I'm okay with that. Because we don't have on like the 5-minute a wick on top really showing selling pressure. So I like that. The 2-minute is showing that selling pressure wick, but we just gotta be careful and wait to see if we get this flag or not. I want the bulls to hold above this VWAP. Let's see if they could get this price back up. Hey, good morning, BP. You're never late, bro. This isn't a job, right? Trading's not a job, so you're never late to this.
Yeah, he just doesn't want to miss the move. Like, he's the same way on the dance floor. He just wants to be there.
Fired, Brett says. Dang, BP. Brett don't be playing, bro. Brett just fired you. 007 just fired you, fam. That's crazy.
Okay, 3 minutes till 10 o'clock.
3 minutes till 10. 3 minutes till 10. We'll take that. Looking like we're getting that bull flag, though. Ooh, Nellies. And I hate taking trades right before 10. What's up, under? Cover. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets, fam. Severance package, please. BP, get with Brett. He's HR and everything around with that. So he should be able to take care of you. All right. Oof. All right. We just went more than 50% of that 5-minute candle there as well. So that's going to invalidate the flag play I was looking for. It makes me more hesitant, if you know what I mean.
Want to go into the range, baby.
Hey, good job undercover getting funded. Congrats, bro. I have used Rhythmic. I have used it. We had some pins and calculators missing. Take off the last check. Oh man, BP stealing pins and calculators. That's crazy. All right, we're back in this 15-minute range, right? We got the 21 EMA approaching. 21 156, 156.
It's just about a little over a minute till 10.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, sir. I'm gonna be holding and waiting until after 10 at this point because right now we have momentum, but we're not getting the flags. So I'm not risking it just to risk it. There's the pivot point tap right there. Is this going to bounce the market back up? Possibly not. But I do like the movement today better than yesterday and the other days. Look at that buying with, ooh.
Wow.
I need 10 o'clock to hit. I need 10 o'clock to hit.
Give yourself 15 more seconds, baby.
I know, but look at that. Oh, look at that big old trap that they just did on those bears. Oh, they're squeezing the bears right now. Stop losses have been hit for folks. I'll tell you that. Coming up to my yellow line, it's officially 10 o'clock as well. Let's see what we get here. We got some selling pressure in this area. I want price to get above 228 for me to take a long. Be careful, folks. Be careful. This market's moving very special right now. Very special. Wait and see some momentum. I want to see the momentum on the Renko bar so I can take a trade here. Sitting right around this VWAP right now. Are we getting ready to push right back down? Straight wildness right now. Back above the VWAP now. Back above the VWAP. Come on, Betsy. Ooh. All right, we're chopping right now. We're chopping right now. Back to the VWAP once again. I want this VWAP to hold. If this VWAP holds, we'll continue pushing up here. But the bulls have to hold this VWAP, hold the price above the VWAP. Come on, Betsy. I'm just waiting to see that clean momentum. Go ahead, Rob. Good job, bro. Good job. Patiently waiting here. What do you guys think is going to happen? Are we going to be going up or going down? That's the question of y'all. Are we going up or down, folks? What do you guys think?
I think we're just chopping like an Italian chef right now.
Back above the VWAP. Bulls are fighting a whole. Try keeping this price above the VWAP.
They are keeping it above the VWAP, that's true.
We got some buying wicks on those 2-minute candles there. But I need more momentum on the Renko bars for me to want to jump in here. Like, I do want to jump in, but I need it clean. I want a clean trade. Right back down to that VWAP, testing that VWAP once again. Yeah, be careful, folks. Be careful because this thing is chopping right now with on the Rinkos. So Be careful. I'm so patiently waiting here. You can trade the chop, but when you trade the chop, you tend to get chopped. Just saying. It's taking everything in me. It's taking everything in me not to click the button right now.
Well, what do you see? I mean, I just
nothing. That's the issue. Back above the 15-minute range once again. Yes, Brett. Tradeify does have Trade Evade. I'm waiting. Honestly, I've been looking for a long here for this bull flag, but I need some momentum.
waiting for it to clear the wick.
I thought I closed at 600, but only got 280. That's how fast it moved. But we'll take that and we'll just simply rotate to the next funded, to the next account. Let's see what accounts I want to trade next. I did get that Lucid eval yesterday after I got that payout from them. So let me put a trade on this account as well real quick. Look at that selling wick on the 2-minute. Look at that selling pressure on that 2-minute there. Pay attention to the wicks, folks. Pay attention to those wicks because they kind of tell you what's going on. BP, if that's how you feeling, bro, skip out, bro. Don't do anything today.
Is he okay?
Yeah, he ate late, he said.
Oh, so he's just gorging on Fritos like normal.
We got a minute 30 left on this 5-minute candle. Right back down to this VWAP. Yep. What type of slippage was that?
So what's the longest amount of time that you've been stuck in drop zones like this, like in your historic trading experience?
Honestly, I don't remember. I'm getting ready to close this one because I did not get the fill where I wanted. There was some slippage on the fill. Just trying to see if I could get out of this clean somewhat.
go to the EMA, man.
Yeah, it's playing hard to get though right now. I got out of that when we did tap that 21 EMA there, but I'm not risking it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like the movement right now. So when you don't like certain movement, honestly, stay out. Save yourself. Hey, go ahead, Mike. Good job, bro. Up $2,000. That's amazing, bro. Good job. Good freaking job. Love to see you guys win, for real. Because when I see y'all win, that means I could possibly win. You know what I'm saying? Like,
winning.
Let's see if we lose this 21 EMA. If we lose, I may take another short, targeting that pivot point below us. My fills are not filling where they're supposed to be. It's weird.
The blue line of fear.
It wasn't even a blue line.
The VWAP now at Burger King.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to close this. I was waiting to see how we were going to react off that VWAP, if we're going to reject or not, since we have had a lot of selling pressure. Here comes that VWAP.
Go to Dr. Duane's.
Dr. Duane's. There's the VWAP tab. If we don't reject, I'll close.
Right, new 5-minute candle.
Yeah, just closed on that one. That was an eval, Tradeify eval. That's why I was so calm, because if that was a funded account, I would have closed as soon as we hit 1,000. If that was a funded, I would have closed right as soon as we hit 1,000. That's my max stop I have on my account. If I lose $1,000 on a trade, I close. Mike, good job today, bro. Straight crushing it, bro. Happy for you. What do I need for this account? Let's see. Right now, we're kind of chopping. And when it's chopping, you know, your boy don't like getting chopped in fundeds. I'll get chopped in evals, but fundeds, that's a no-go. Right now, as you can see, we're going sideways. So we're going to wait. We're going to sit back. We're going to relax and wait to see if we get a move. Maybe like a little bull flag, take us higher. Who knows? We're tapping my yellow line on the 5-minute. Smooth, it's okay. It's not the best. It's still acting like it's been all week, slightly chopping. Like it gets to certain areas and now it goes sideways. You know what I'm saying? We've been seeing that all week. We've been seeing that all week now. So not the worst in the world, but it's also definitely not the best. I think our playlist just ended. Let's get another playlist going. Oh, nothing to do yet. Nothing to do. We're coming back down to this VWAP. Hold your waters, hold your coffees, hold your cookies, whatever you got. And we gotta wait. We gotta wait to see what we get. That 5-minute looks like it wants to be a bull flag. That 5-minute does look like it wants to be a bull flag. But we need momentum. No momentum. Don't be executing trades. Let me drop down and see what the 1 minute is doing. Oh, absolutely nothing on the 1 minute either. So, all right. Let's see if we retest that VWAP level. Are we going to retest that VWAP level? VWAP's 204.75. 204.75 for the VWAP level. There we go. Right through it, actually. Coming to that whole number. Back above. Back below. There's the 200 level right there, that whole number. We need to push away from this VWAP, push away from this 21, so we can have some clear sailings. We tapped that 21 double top. Right now we're just chopping. Because we tapped that 21 EMA and now we're pushing right back up again. We got that 200. So we got the 21 EMA, the VWAP, the high of the 15-minute range, the 200 level, all in a real compact space. And we got to get away from all of this. I'm looking at the 2 minutes. I look at the 2 minutes mainly. Come on, Betsy. We're consolidating right now, these Renko bars, so just waiting to see some type of move. There's a VWAP tap as well. Trying to push up to my yellow line on the 5 minute. I have not moved that in quite a while. Tapped it. Instant selling pressure. Hey, let's go, Brett. Good job, bro. Good freaking job, fam. BP, what's the AMD setup for the people in the back of the class, bro? Come on, Betsy. Come on. I need less than $800 on this account to get this funded with Tradeify, 50K select account. I'm trying to see if I could do it. I even upped my contract size to 3 contracts instead of my usual 2. So I'm waiting, anticipating. Trying to get fully funded with Tradeify, Lucid, and not fully funded with Apex, but I want to have at least like 10 to 15 PA accounts with Apex just to have so I can copy trade those. We're currently above this VWAP. All right, now I need less than like $400. Close that out. I'm not trusting it. I'm not trusting it right now. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, sweep on the side of the range or the push for the other side. Let's see if we get that, BP. If we do, we'll take it. We got that 21 EMA right at the high of the 15-minute range. Yep, don't push it, Brett. I'm glad you felt it yourself. You're like, you know what? Today I'm feeling kind of off. Let me stop. That right there will save you so much money, sir. Trust me, that will save you so much money in this game of trading. And stress, right? That too. You won't have to hold the wall to hold yourself in. Warrior, you were over trading. I know you, bro. If you blew it at cap, bro, you were over trading. You're trying to trade the chop. That's a no bueno. There we go. Let me see if that would do it. Let me check. Because that should have just got me another funded account with Tradeify. We'll take that. Hey, let's go. Just got another funded with Tradeify. We'll gladly accept. I haven't even touched the Apex accounts today. This is the 2-minute. You're looking at the 2-minute, the 5-minute, and Renko bars. Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets. Ryan went crazy. Not the Nasdaq. We're just going sideways. Hardest action in trade is sideways action. It's easy to trade the ups and the downs. When we're going sideways, that ain't fun. No bueno. And no, I'm not Spanish. I don't know why I'm saying no bueno today. I don't know. I do not know. Maybe I'm dehydrated. Let me drink some water. This will be a good time to drink some fluids. You know what I'm saying? Is everyone doing somewhat decent today? Did everyone wake up feeling okay? There's a 21 EMA tap right there. Am I getting ready to close this? Let's see how we react right here. Look at that buying wick on that 2 minute. Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this. Unless these bears really step in, I'm just gonna kill this one. This is a select 50K eval with Tradeify. I'm done trading funded. It's 10:30. I ain't risking the biscuit for these chop zones. Let's see. Is this going to be my bear flag that I wanted? But I would have jumped in early. Rob's in the hot tub. Give me my full flush. Give me my full flush here for the bear flag. It wants to give me my full flush. It wants to. Flush it. Come on. Come on, Betsy. We got another buying wick on that candle, so I don't like that. I closed out. I closed it. Take my ball going home. Tomorrow's a new day, bro. Tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, I'm gonna possibly re-enter. I normally don't re-enter trades after I close out. This is an eval. That's the only reason why I'm willing to. Because this is the bear flag. I gotta wait for that full momentum to the downside. And if the markets are chopping like this tomorrow, I may just request another payout live on the stream. Because, you know, no one's trying to get chopped. Man, it's playing right now so hard. Come on, go to my yellow line. Yellow line time. Come on. Looking at my 2 minute and my 5 minute. Look at that selling wick on that 2 minute. We're creeping to my yellow line, but it's playing hard to get right now. Come on, give me that follow through. If I see follow through, I'm jumping back in for a short here. Just got tagged in. Closed out right there. Just cleaned up $500 right there on this eval. I'm gonna clean up this other $500 as well once I see some more better momentum. I got out as soon as I saw it trying to flip. Or Warrior, if you do get another eval, right? Do it on Tradeovate so you can connect it to Ninja Trader and practice in the sim account on Ninja Trader with the live data feed.
Trump is talking.
Trump's talking?
Yeah.
Oh boy. And my TV's like paused. Like, what's going on with this? What's he talking on?
People never knew there was such a capability. We're the strongest military anywhere in the world by far. I built it during my first.
Somebody said they wanted Trump speaking off.
He has 3 people. You see it, right?
Yeah, I got it on this. I got it on the TV behind me.
All right.
Get ready for the markets to move, boys, with Trump talking.
Oh, cool. It's in that area. It's in that range, cuzzo. Trust me. Yeah, that shit is in that range.
I took a gamble with Trump talking and it instantly just, oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. I was risking it for the biscuit. All right, let's see. 166. You sold? Hey, you made money. You made money. When Trump talks, the markets move. This is where you only trade an eval, folks. Only trade an eval. Trust me. Getting some volatility in the markets. Went down, tapped that pivot point. Pivot point tap again. What's up, Kenneth? Just hit the middle of the 15-minute range there. I just hit 360 across 6 accounts right there with APAC. Checking this. Let's rotate to the other Apex accounts. What in the world? My stuff just froze. Did anybody else's stuff freeze? My Ninja Tray is frozen. Uh-oh. Let me disconnect, reconnect here. All right, charts are moving again. Can you guys hear me or no? Okay. All right, yeah, it's still gone. No, I can't. Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, Trump is a market mover. We're below the middle of the 15-minute range now. We're below the middle of the 15-minute range. Let's see what we get. Listening to Trump talk is awesome sometimes. So that was 495 on 4 accounts. But that's weird. So I'm gonna have to make a new group because 3 of my Apex that I copy trade on the last trade I took, the leader account was green. So were some of the other ones, but 3 of them ended up minus 150, 170, 171, 167. Let me make a new group real quick. Let's see. 167. All right, cool. No, 1 second. Hey, I know we had the 8:30 news, but Trump talking, I like that. That makes the markets move a little bit faster. So he's pretty much saying that the war is still going to continue for another couple weeks. So once he's done talking, I'm assuming the market's going to continue trending downwards. I'll probably hold off to wait to copy trade these 3 accounts that the slippage made them negative 150, but the other accounts were 360. That's a big slip, by the way. But we're gonna wait, get these 3 accounts green real quick, and keep moving with the day. We got less than 8 minutes. 8 minutes for 11 o'clock here. Apex. I'm copy trading on Apex accounts. Yeah, I'm using Replicanto for the copy trader. I'm confused. Did I put the wrong account on this? Smooth. I understand Trump scares you. Listen, the fact that he's literally saying that the war's not going to a couple more weeks, possibly, the market should continue downwards. Yeah, Warrior, the chop kills every trader, believe it or not. Whew. Look at that. We just broke out of the 15-minute range to the low side there. So unpredictable. Even the orb is whack. Yes, Trump's talking right now. So right now you're going to have unpredictable markets. So just be careful. Have a stop loss set. Because when he's talking, all bets are off. Well, Smooth, it doesn't always have to be full TP, right? As long as you're making green, that's it. I'm doing good, Cleo. How about yourself? I'm greening all my funded accounts. I'm readying a couple evals. It happens, bro. It happens. My bad. I'm not looking at the chat. I'm in this trade still. I have funded accounts with Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader. So right now I'm just playing around on these evals at this point. It's 11 o'clock as well. So I've only got a couple more minutes before I have to jump off here. Oh. We do have some selling pressure here, but I don't know. I'm not. Let me drop this guy down. Don't feel like listening to Marco Polo. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be vibing, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Make sure you guys tune in for that. Should be some fun like usual. Any last minute questions before I jump off? Because they're talking. It's 11 o'clock. Yes, Cleo, here. So we do a Traders Hangout fireside. Yes, fireside every single night where we talk trading and we talk life. 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. You can see all the lives that we do on the channel, because if you come on like a Sunday, you see everything we got going on for the week. So, but hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. I'm gonna get out of here. I will check y'all later because I gotta go relax. I gotta go eat before my workout today. So I gotta go. Legacy, nothing but love like usual. Stay safe in the markets, Legacy family. And I'll catch you all night. Have a good rest of your day, everybody. Be blessed.
Talk to you later, David.
All right, Carmona. All right, G. All right, Brad. Have a good one. BP, Brett and the gang. Smooth, everybody. Love you, boys. Have a good rest of your day. Catch y'all later.